Hi sewing friends, it's me Alice Murray. Welcome to my channel Murrmade Designs, where every single solitary day, hopefully, we talk about garments. I sew something, I show you. I'm trying to do that for 365 days. Some days it's a struggle. Today, this week, we are talking about men's shirt refashionings, and this is number 4. And we've really been having fun with this. I'll show you what I did. No, this is number 5. This is number 5. Sorry. I'll show you what I did, and then we'll talk about it. This is a cute little wrap dress. Made from a man's shirt. First off, the material for this dress, the shirt it's a polyester, kind of a brushed polyester rather than a cotton. So it's a little bit thicker, and I thought it would make a nice little wrap dress. And like most wrap dresses, it is as comfortable as a nightie. So, what did I do? First, I picked off the chest pocket. Then I cut off the sleeves, and as you can see, the size of the shirt, it was a 17.5. The size of the shirt made kind of some nice kind of cut-on sleeve kind of look. Then I cut off the collar, and then I kind of messed about a bit because I thought, well, I should cut it off, and I cut it off too long, and then I had to cut it off again, so that I got it to my waist. And then I made the skirt. If you look closely at this skirt, it is a patchwork quilt. It is pieced all over the place. The back is the 2 sleeves. You can see the shoulders. The shoulders are at the bottom. And then the front, what I did for the front was I took the back hem that I cut off and the front hem that I cut off, and then the little bit that I cut off extra, and I sewed them together. And it makes kind of a cute little chevron pattern there. Totally unintentional, but I'll take it. And then I crossed it over. I made ties on the inside, which I just made from the seam hem on the it was the inside sleeve seam, the salvage from the seam. I made ties on the inside, and then I cut the collar apart to get enough fabric to make the ties for the outside. I got dust left from this shirt. I used every square inch of it. And then I tied it together. I folded in the last bit that was left to make the V, ironed it, top stitched it, and voila, wrap skirt, wrap dress. It is very light. It's got a cute, we'll call that kind of a tulip hem on it. Yeah, so I kind of love this. Kind of a different sort of a thing. So that is day 5, men's shirt refashion, a wrap dress. You can do it if you want to. One thing I did is I tried on this dress about 50 times while I was making it. So don't make it around other people, because there is a lot of trying on to, you know, get the ties right, and is that skirt gonna work? You know, that kind of thing. But I'm pretty tickled. It's actually dress length. And today in my grateful thread, I just want to say how grateful I am for the life of Prince Philip. And here in Canada, we're in the Commonwealth, so he's been our prince for as long as I've lived and longer. And so just my condolences to the people of Britain. He was a fine, fine man. And I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun.